Good morning, guys. So out at sea and we're gonna test the luck again today. So today I go and eat breakfast, some cheese patty and cocoa bread. Hot. So let's see what we want today, you know? Bless up. Thanks for watching LuresJA. We'll keep it exciting today, you know? Yeah, man. Alright, so I do some jigging here, so see if we can hook up anything. I'm happy that it's not so rough, so we can go to the edge and do some more jigging. Alright, this is gonna be base. Got my keys. Alright, let's go. It's a beautiful day today. We get some action soon. I think I just fell a pull. Let's see. Very calm day, I'm loving it. I'm gonna try this one. A pearl white. You know, everything love a white lure, including those jacks. Alright, so we're gonna use this one. Know that this one is effective, so should pull in some good fish. You know what? My spirit is saying to use a spoon. Yeah, let me use a spoon instead, guys. Following my spirit. Get some further casts, and there's jacks out there. You'll definitely see this. Alright, guys. Bingo soon. Right in moment food. Yeah, guys, fish on. Fish on, guys. As we tell you, so we should be bingo soon. Fish on. Lizard fish. Alright, guys, see that? No, it's for the bingo soon. Lizard fish. Alright. We got fish. Alright. Keep him for daddy. A blessing, you know? Yeah. A little blessing to them. Keep him for daddy. I'll go out again. It was nice. Out there again. Good distance. Let it sink. And retrieve. Don't do it slowly. Alright. Should get another hook up. Probably a jack this time or a big mackerel. I haven't caught a mackerel in a good while. Alright, so just gonna burn it, retrieve it fast, using a jack, and then fast moving predators, so you'll see it on both sides. Look at this, guys. He's trying to escape. Well, he can escape, King. Yeah, that's what else we can do. We'll see if he escapes. I don't really like them, so he can go. Fish on, guys. Whoa. Good size fish, guys. Wow. Good size fish on, guys. Damn. You got me unexpected. Damn. Nice jack, guys. Nice jack. Look at this, guys. Woo! I'm gonna go over here. Don't want to lose him. Look at God. Look at God, guys. Shit. He's knotting up me. Yeah, guys. Look at this. Good boy. Just catch a nice one, guys. Nice little size. Yeah, man. I'll go out again. Alright, guys. I'll go out again. Awesome action. First, I'm catching something at this lure. I'm happy to know that it works. Thank you, Lord. Beautiful day today. I shall be buying more of these. Yep. Yep. Let's see where they went. Usually they travel in school, so probably might have took too long to pass back out, but I'm just too excited. Alright, action time. Yeah, I'm gonna test out this one. Should have success on it. It's a deep diver, so it should reach those fish beneath the surface. Let's see. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Nice size boy too. Is that the rocks? Oh gosh. In drop off, guys. See if we can get him. Oh my gosh. I think the last thing, guys. Started to rain. Let's see if that will improve our hookup rates. I'm gonna test this lure and then we move. Got a couple casts. This one. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Yeah, guys, fish on. Tighten the jug. Feel like it's a jack. Feel like it's a jack, guys. Fish on. Oh, damn. It's not a jack. Why? Why the fight so hard? Oh, damn. It's a butterfish. It's a butterfish. Nice. This is a cuttlefish. Alright, we're gonna go back out. Guys. Yeah, man. Alright. So catch a nice little jack. And the pink one. Yeah. So we caught him using this little jig that we made. 4 different jigs on it. And he went for this pink one. So doing a little experiment to see what works. But yeah, it's a good look so far. Thank you, Lord. Out again. Alright guys, so we'll move on the spot here. That's how the catch so far. Yeah, finally get a scale so you can see the fish them weight. Alright, this is the scale. I'm gonna zero it. We have about, hold on, can say 2.5 pounds of fish. Yeah, not a bad look. So the final spot for the day. We're going to see if we can hook out any snapper or anything with that bite. And see if we can have some fun, you know? Yeah. Alright, thank you Lord. Bless it, oh Father.